niggas, these 2/3 ain't gonna have no tombstones, no proper burial. You know? Even though that's bullshit anyway on this side, man.
Proper burial is right when the missiles.
Yeah, it's gonna be when the missiles come. You know?
That's all for sure, man. The Lord just is doing that, man, to get at you people, man.
Yeah.
But the ultimate judgment is gonna come through that fire, man. The Lord has to kill you people, man.
Turn it back into the fire.
He's back, man.
And what I'm saying is the truth, right?
Like, yeah, you speaking the truth.
Hey, he said,
So you speaking the truth, my brother. That's wild, bro. I never seen nothing like this in my life.
Every week, man.
That's a sign, man.
Yeah.
Cause that never used to happen. Hold on, it's two. Oh. They feel that presence, man. It's probably some angels over here too. We don't even see.
They see some angels like
the angels just called to action.
Yeah.
So they out here. Our brothers is right by us, man.
Yeah,
they like this.
He was right here when it happened.
Yeah, the angels
right
by us standing like, yeah, got him.
Damn.
What else? I don't know.
It says that ye may eat the flesh of kings and the flesh of captains and the flesh of mighty men and the flesh of horses and of them that sit on them and the flesh of all men, both free and bond, both small and great. That's pretty much it on that, man. Yeah, man. It's gonna be dead bodies from all walks of life, from the top general and the army all the way down to, you know what I'm saying, the mall cop. You know, he's gonna get into the taxi cab driver. You know, like this nigga that was scoffing, we believe. When that accident occurred.
He's probably talking shit.
Him and the so-called victims in that car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the Lord, they love you. The Lord didn't hurt their ass. Somebody could have died, man.
Someone was crossing the street right there. You know, people always like, remember how we was talking about how them two nigga women, them dykes, they crossed the street right over there. They didn't want to come by and pass us or whatever.
Because they hardly see tech. They can't come in. Hey, but the angels might have been right there. They gonna be walking the other way. Because they out here. Because they just caused that, man. Don't nothing go down without the Most High signing off on it.
The Most High sanctuary.
So the angels, they showed you that movie, in that movie, what was the name of that?
The Knowing.
The Knowing?
Coming to the end, man. Like you always say, bro, the zenith. We here, man. We here. It says second Ezra. It says second Ezra 15:5. Behold, saith the Lord, I will bring plagues on the world, the sword, famine, death, and destruction. For wickedness hath exceedingly polluted the whole earth, and their hurtful works are fulfilled. Therefore saith the Lord, I will hold my tongue no more as touching their wickedness, which they profanely commit, neither will I suffer them and those things in which they wickedly exercise themselves. Behold, the innocent and righteous blood crieth unto me, and the souls of the just complain continually. Let's talking about, you know, our brothers, man, that die in this truth, man, they go to the spiritual realm. Because even in the book of Revelation, man, it says the first thing, like the apostles always break down, the first thing the souls do, they go to the Most High, man, and they could, I'm gonna get it real quick, I'm gonna connect it, man. Yeah, that's what the Lord's getting ready to do, man, on this earth, man. It says, this is Revelation. This is Revelation chapter 6, verse 9. And when he had opened the fifth seal, I saw under the altar the souls of them that were slain for the word of YAHAWASHI. See that? And for the testimony which they held. And they cried with a loud voice, saying, How long, O Lord, holy and true, dost thou not judge and avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth? So that's how you know that's talking about our brothers, man, that died in this truth, man. It says in the scriptures that we're gonna be caught up together, Lord willing. We're gonna be caught up together with them in the clouds, man, to meet the Lord in the air. So I'm gonna go back to Esdras. It says, Behold, the innocent and righteous blood crieth unto me, and the souls of the just complain continually. And it says, And therefore saith the Lord, I will surely avenge them, and receive unto me all the innocent blood from among them. And then it says, Behold, my people is led as a flock to the slaughter. I will suffer them now to dwell in the land of Egypt. But I will bring them with a mighty hand and a stretched out arm, and smite Egypt with plagues as before, and will destroy all the land thereof. Yeah, because this deliverance that we're coming into this time, which is near to come, this is going to be greater than when the Lord delivered us out of the land of Egypt. And we're coming into Jacob's trouble, and we're coming into that second death, man. All right? Anybody who take the mark of the beast, all right, especially amongst our people, the 2/3, you won't be destroyed, man. You're going to be caught up out there, man, because you don't believe in YAHAWASHI. You believe in this so-called white man, this devil, man. So that's why the Lord is going to allow you to be caught out there, man. When they try to do this new world order, man. Also, martial law, concentration camps, the mark of the beast. All right, so that's the Lord getting ready to judge this place real soon. Yeah, appreciate that.
Go ahead, then we'll wrap it up on this.
See,
yeah, real quick. Jeremiah, chapter 16. Verse 14. Therefore, behold, the days come, saith the Lord, that it shall no more be said, the Lord liveth, that brought up the children of Israel out of the land of Egypt. But the Lord liveth, that brought up the children of Israel from the land of the north, and from all the lands whither he had driven them, and I will bring them again into their land that I gave unto their fathers. So that's going back into what I was speaking of, making reference to the book of Esdras. The Lord is going to be far surpassed than when the Lord delivered us out of Egypt, man. And the Lord get ready to send major plagues on this earth, man, because it's rightfully so, man. Because these people, man, especially our people, you love wickedness, man. You love being up under your oppressors, man. You love this shit, man. All right? You love working for the so-called white man. All right? That's why the Lord is going to judge you real soon, man. All right? You living amongst this society, man, but you don't even care your people is all jacked up. As long as you got your own piece of the pie, man. That's why the Lord gonna get you. The ones that sold out.
You see, Jake at first, man, probably didn't really hit him. That aftershock probably really didn't get his fat ass though, man.
Yeah, it's fucking him up. He can't even get up.
He probably not even faking for real, bro. Because that was a big impact.
He's old too.
Yeah. He got out the car trying to take pictures and shit. Man's ass gasping for air. It probably fucked him up a little bit.
Probably pulled a muscle trying to take a picture.
Yeah.
Muscle spasm.
Yeah.
It says, Isaiah 55:7, let the wicked forsake his way and the unrighteous man his thoughts. Right. Let him return to the Lord.
Yeah, you Jakes, man. All right. one point in time, man, we was just like everybody else in the world. But what? Hey, the Lord gave us that door of mercy, and brothers ran. We ain't look back. We said, thank you, Lord. All right, brothers. Now I mean, you repented. You come into this truth, man. You know what I mean? Come into this truth and you get yourself right, man. All right. Okay. You get yourself right, man. All right. And that's basically what the scripture is talking about, man. Because we're in a time of mercy right now. But as you can see, the Most High is definitely opening up that judgment now, man. So just like we're in a time of mercy, the Lord about to swiftly turn into judgment, man. So you better get right, man. You better get right, man. If you're out here committing adultery, messing with other men, wives and stuff, man, you better stop that shit, man. If you're out here smoking weed, okay, you better stop that shit, man. Okay? If you out here doing any type of wickedness, man, you better stop, get right, come into this truth, man. All right? And hope that the Lord might deliver you, man. All right? Because we're in a time of mercy, man. All right? But hey, you see it, man. It's turning swiftly into the time of judgment. So really, mercy is about to be out of here, man. Go ahead,
Sis.
You gotta forsake it, man.
Yeah, as the days go by, man.
Yeah.
Then the elders brought the apostles that brought out the debt clock, man. Man, that shit is serious, man.
He will have mercy upon him.
And the Lord will forgive you. He will have mercy upon you. But that's only for the elect anyway. Because only the elect is going to repent. Only the elect is going to forsake their thoughts and their ways and their way of doing things and put that away and follow the Lord, man. And follow the Lord's way of doing things, man.
Into our power, for he will abundantly pardon.
Because the Lord will abundantly pardon, man. He's going to abundantly have mercy and pardon the elect of our people. Right? Most High going to wipe everything you did away like it never existed, man. Okay? But you got to come and serve the Lord in truth and sincerity, man. All right? That's the only way. All right? With that, I'm going to say, YAHAWASHI. All praises, honor, and glory go to YAHAWASHI. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to all the brothers out there doing the work. Blessings and mercy to the elect of Yasharallah. Form Yasharallah. Shalom. Till next time.